Alright, hello, we're live now on the Fisher Gamer. So I'm gonna do my entire screen. Do some live streaming. So today we do Bitcoin. A big Bitcoin talk and programming. So I don't know what to do at the moment. Let's do some programming HTML. We can do some VMware. Actually I'm back at my desk now, so later, tomorrow, I'll do some Linux stuff with dongle and all that cool stuff. At the moment, I play some HTML stuff and, you know, cool stuff. So, what am I doing? Let's go, I don't need to do that. Open up here. Click website. By the way, my desktop is full. My own? Mummy, no, I'm joking. Someone else might join. I have put the word out this on the World Crypto Network, Slacks. No? And it's on YouTube, so yeah. Let's go. So basically, the beginning tags of making a website is doc type. Basically, the head is the head of the title, which is the head of the website, and we can do title, or anything we want. Let's just call it live stream website. So it's not going to be anything about websites and live streams. It's going to be a website on it's live stream on my website, stream. No, I don't think do anything like that. No, you do it. I'm actually on web design. I haven't done website for actually web design for a couple of but about 2 or 3 weeks. So I haven't done much. But live stream is on Python. I'll do another one in the next couple of days on Python. But this is a quick update on a live stream. That I will talk about Bitcoin in a minute. But I wanted to do. I said last time I'll do a web design next live stream. Just said be tomorrow and next day. But I did that. But I haven't got much to do, so I can do a little live stream. Body is like the code of the website, like paragraphs, the headings, headings, paragraphs, other cool stuff. You can do other cool stuff with websites, like links and stuff. Just be a basic website, so I won't do that. I won't get too much advanced stuff. I'll show you all different headings you can do. Oh, 7, 6 is the most. To save this and see if anyone's commenting on my thing. Forecast. I got a viewer. I'm not sure exactly it is. Let's have a look. Oh, I got 2. No, that's my old website. That's my old video. Let's have a look who it is. Got watching. That's cool. Let me view my actual thing. Hi guys. If there's a viewer, I'll say hi. Hey, it's my mate Scott. I didn't know that. Hi mate. Hi mate. Actually, I'll watch this. I'll watch it, mate, and I'll just watch your live stream because I'll watch what you're saying. Yeah, I'm doing some programming in Bitcoin. I haven't really got any games in this, Scott, so I won't be able to do live streams on gaming. But if you want to stick around, you know, it'd be quite cool. Advertise it if you want. I'm gonna do a bit of advertising in a minute. All right, Scott. Yeah, long time no speak, but long time no see. Yeah, actually more like long time no see because I haven't seen you for years. I actually haven't. It's not my first live stream. I did a live stream yesterday, but I probably told you in the video. I'll advertise it. Do some advertising. Alright. Um, mate. Help mate. Let's go back to the entire screen. Actually, I might have some more coding people. It'll be quite cool in a minute. Entire screen share. Cool. Cool. Yeah, I'll stick around. 3 years. 3 years, is it? That's cool. You can do some advertising if you want. I'll put it on Twitter and stuff. Do it if you want, maybe. If you want to get some people in it, maybe. I'm not going to be doing this for long, right? Doing the advertising and stuff. Where's the live stream? I'm just going to advertise the live stream rather than the link. I'm not going to do the private link actually because you know I don't want random people joining. Oh, I've done private link on other websites like World Crypto Network, which is all programmers and Bitcoin people as well. So I advertised it on there, obviously. Have you got any more comments? I'll do it now. Okay. Okay, thanks, mate. So let's go back to I like live streaming. I mean, it's my second live stream. Well, actually, my third live stream. That one was just a first, like a little test. So let's just start doing comments. Hello. You'll see different sizes within it. Bro. Sister. You should watch my other live streams as well, like my other things I've done before. Father. I don't know what I don't know what I'm doing. Just doing fun mother. I'm just doing weird things because I don't really care. Anyway, how did you know I'm live streaming, Scott? Okay. Okay, he's live streaming on thingy. Or Twitch. Actually, come on your Twitch and I actually have other viewers, not really live streamers, but on the live stream, but I'll probably have more viewers like people viewing it. I have 100 views on my one, it was only yesterday, and if you put your little thing there, I'll advertise your one as well. So I'll run this quickly, this little thing I've created. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to run it in the browser because it's HTML. So, new folder, this one here. So run open with Google Chrome. And here we go. Look, this is the website. It's nothing really, but basically what it is, the H1 is the biggest, like the biggest heading. H2 gets smaller, and then it just gets smaller and smaller, the smaller the heading. All right. Do you think any what are you putting on anyway? The live stream. All right, I'll put it on Facebook in a minute, but done on Twitter. Let's just go Facebook. Actually, guys, I'm gonna toilet. I'm gonna go and get a drink, and I'll be back in a minute. Right, I'm back, guys. Hey, I'm back. So yeah, let's just advertise some cool stuff. All right, Twitch, what are you making, and I'll do it tomorrow. What do you mean? What are you making? I know what you mean. You advertise on Twitter. Okay, what's your Twitter anyway? I don't know it. Let me destroy. Oh well. Let's just do the thing. I thought I might advertise your Twitch maybe. I'm starting a new channel tomorrow. Cool. What's your? By the way, he does new channels. Russ Ruler. If you guys want to look at that, quite cool. Notification. I've got nothing. Cool. All right. Let's go on Facebook and advertise. Ground control. Oh, sad Dave Bowie died today. You know, no one's. You know, it's sad. So let's just skip to this. So there we go. Let's finish off with the website. I could have got a view actually. Yeah, I didn't have one yesterday. The real. I'm starting a new channel. Okay, the real Rush Ruler. Who's the Rush Ruler anyway? I don't really get that. If I was you, I would create my own page. What do you mean? I mean, page for what? What, for Twitter? I mean, Facebook. I've got a page on Facebook. You know, like little page you can have for my YouTube channel. You wanna know it? This is good. Got no one coming back on Live Crypto Network. People there. So, what should we do now? I mean, I know what to do, but, you know, like, wrap Bitcoin maybe? I don't know, let's go link, raw. Actually, if we want to do some CSS, which is another computer language, programming language, that's cool. Alright, I didn't know that. So, sorry, I keep doing the wrong thing. So let's, go style.css. And we change the camera. Not to me, but to the document. now. Rush Ruler on what? Facebook? So, let's do some more stuff. So basically at the moment we're gonna do some other stuff. Let's do a link to RAW. Yes. Let's just change this whole code. Yeah. Alright. So mum walked in. No, I'm live streaming. I'm live streaming on YouTube. Alright. That's funny. Let me just pause that again. What do you mean? What do you mean, Scott? Why do you keep saying like that? I'm a part of the OB and Rush. I don't know what you mean. Alright, so let's just go rail. Go like this. So, okay. It's a style sheet, isn't it? The rail is relevant. You do programming, don't you? So you can give us some cool stuff. I just want to join. Join? Rush Ruler? You want to join? This is cool, I like this. It's a type. Text file. Alright, bye. The viewers now. I'm joking. I'm out some more. Bye. Um. How long's the live stream been on for now? I'm not sure. 17 minutes, okay. Let me just come in. Say hi to mate. Actually, let's just do something quickly. So we're gonna carry on with this live stream. I'm not leaving now. Style of CSS. No point in leaving within a quickly live stream. So now I'm added a list part of it. So we can go P. Background color. I think this will work. Just messing around, guys. I know how to code. I know how to program. I'm just messing around with the code. Just showing you how it will work. So to save all this, I'm not sure if I hope it works. I mean, I've been crashed on me before. There we go. Black. There we go. It does work. So we don't understand that. The background color, I made it to be black. I'm actually gonna change that because I don't like it. How about red? I'm gonna have a color. It's gonna be yellow. There we go. Like that. So we got new viewers. Live streaming. If you didn't know, live streaming me. You said that, so think I'll be on my own now for a while. Hope someone joins back though. I hope someone joins back. So it's just well, he won't join back, I don't think. But I'll probably be on my own for one. I wish some nice people, and I advertised it on the Crypto Network, so I wish some of them came. The widths. This is the width now. The width of the code is. I'm not sure how this works. The width. Oh yeah, width. 10 pixels. 10. No, right. No, actually, I ran a bit more than that. This is too bad. I bet he'll join. I bet he joins. Not every person is here. Wait, do you have to go? I don't know why. I got another viewer. It's the same person, I think. Anyway, I don't know why I keep saying I don't know why I keep commenting on the comments. Cause I can just talk. Cause you're watching me live stream. I mean, I can talk. I mean, you're not watching me, but you're watching the screen. By the way, that was stupid. How I just did that. It should be 100 by 100. Why did you have? There we go. There we go. There we go. Now we can do something else. By the way, you do programming, don't you? So why don't you just, do some stuff? Over that, yeah, you can some programming stuff. By the way, this is gonna be about another half an hour, 20 minutes. We're on for about 20 minutes now, so I'll probably make about 40 minutes, 50 minutes. And I'm gonna talk about Bitcoin in a minute. I'm gonna leave it another couple of minutes and just do some programming stuff on it. So, background color. You can go different attachments and you can add images and stuff, but that'll be like in the next tutorial, and I'll add it on another one. Call this one pink. Pink. This is pink. And then color can be blue. It's gonna be a cool live stream, I think. It's gonna be a good one. And ding, ding. I don't work. Oh, because I'm gonna have to use certain ones. Alright, so we just go like that. Now we run, it will work. There we go. Pink background and the blue. Anyway, why did he? Is he gone? Is he still gone? Is he here? Oh, he left. Oh, I've got no viewers now. Let's see if my mate just back. I thought if I get one other person that's in there, not even watching, even watching rather than maybe even in it, would be quite cool as well. Yeah, he's gone. I think. I think he's gone for good now. Anyway, hope he hasn't, but he might do. He might have, because I don't know. There's loads of reasons why. So you've opened up that C++. We'll be alright anyway, I think. Because someone might join next 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I might end a little bit early if there's no one here, but I don't mind. I like live streaming anyway. Talking to myself. I'm joking. It's sad. Let me try this link out. See what it sends you. Oh, hey. Yeah, I do work. It worked. Cool. Alright, so here you go. Sorry about that. So, I just wanted to see if it worked. Yeah, so, let's do some stuff. Orange. 611's a colour. I'm just messing around now. It probably isn't. I didn't think it'd be. It's true, I'm joking. You know what I'm doing? I'm not getting a code offline or anything, but I'm just, you know, trying to think what to do. Let's talk about some bitcoins in a minute, more throughout the whole thing. And I probably actually won't have the screen. Actually, I will actually be filming my screen because I don't want to explain everything. Okay, we'll do it now then. Okay, let's talk about Bitcoin now. Okay, so Bitcoin is a virtual currency. It's a blockchain. No, it's not blockchain. The blockchain is something else. But yeah. So why have I got listen on me? Oh, I know why. So yeah, it's a virtual machine. A virtual machine. What am I about now? It's a virtual currency, and it's a yeah, it's a virtual currency. It's a cryptocurrency, and it's an algorithm per Bitcoin. So I'll just show you something. Different Bitcoins for a certain amount of Bitcoins. So if you're mining Bitcoins, about mining Bitcoins. So if you're mining Bitcoins, you can use those different pools. So I'll just type in online mining Bitcoins. I'll show you different pools, the mining pools and stuff. So there's this. It's a Bitcoin wallet, and I'll explain everything about how to mine Bitcoin if you want to mine it, and you know, just some cool stuff about it. So we're gonna go to mining on the Bitcoin WikiLeaks, not WikiLeaks, the Wikipedia, and we've got hardware. So if you want to mine Bitcoin, you have a CPU, which is the early Bitcoin client version. If you read it here, like the versions, early stuff, it basically means it's not really around anymore. The best stuff now is ASIC mining, which is Antminers. So it's Antminers. I got an Antminer S3, and it's good. It's cool. And I'll just show you a picture of it right now. And let's go. So an Antminer S3 is, I mean, so it's quite slow. There it is. That's an Antminer S3. £81 on eBay. It cost me 150 or my dad. Yeah, there it is. Antminer S3. And with the Antminer S3, you get the fan. Not the fan, no. You get the power supply. That's it. And you get this as well. Well, you might not get it with it, but it normally does come with it. It's this. There's that, and it's, no, that there. You won't be able to see my finger, but get that and that. You get all that. It's cool. I like it. So look at this. Loads of different one. Loads of them. I mean, now would have probably cost an arm and a leg. They were like 24,000 bit. That BTU. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's probably power. It's 900 watts, 150 watts for the thing. I think it's 150 for the Antminer S3. And the other thing, so there's mining Bitcoin. And basically, I'll show you what. Let's go on my pool actually. Let's go on my pool, and it's called Bitcoin. I use the Slushes pool, which is a good one. It's actually really good. You should definitely get into doing. You should definitely do Slushes pool. Definitely use it. So I need Bitcoin right now at 434 gigahashes per second, which is 37. Or that's the whole pool scoring rate of loads of people's energy running together. Then there's zero. I think that's confirmed. I've run 0.01. And look at my settings. Go into my settings and my payouts. That's actually my real wallet. So you actually see that there. That's where it's being sent to. So see that wallet thing there, guys? The 1M. That's actually my real Bitcoin thing. Anyone can have that. So if you want to, you can send Bitcoins to me. It's quite cool. Then the 0.1. So whenever it gets to 0.1 Bitcoins, it will send it out. It will send the stuff to my wallet, which is still being waiting to come up. And once it gets to a certain amount, yeah, it will send it out. See what new viewers? Nope. Still got 0 viewers. Quite sad now. So let me have a look what it just said. Oh, percent 21. dot presenting to everyone. Yeah, look at this. So actually, I'm not going to look at that much information there. It's quite important, some of them. So the payouts. So basically, every payout. Oh no 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 no. Well, lucky you didn't get my ID then, because you could take any bitcoins then. Luckily. So this is your rewards thing, and the 25 values. Every block of bitcoins are 25 bitcoins. Every block is 25 bitcoins, which is about 10 grand in a day. Let me have a look at the Bitcoin price at the moment. The Bitcoin price today, in pounds, obviously. I mean, if you in America, it would be different, dollars and stuff. But it's a bit slow now. Come on, we'll sleep in a minute. I'm joking. I think he went £308 and 82 pence. Okay. Remember yesterday on my other live stream when I made the Bitcoin program of changing the money? It's actually changed already, so you know. Actually, when I looked about 8 hours ago, 5, 8, 6, 7 hours ago, it was actually a lot different then as well. Let me have a look at how long the live stream's been on for. It's been on for about 32 minutes or so. Good though, I like it. So, actually, let's look at some steps. Huh. So, rewards. So, two different rewards, yeah. Block of Bitcoin is 25 Bitcoin, which is about, yeah, probably about 12, 11, 13 grand now. But you'd have to be solo mining to do that. And solo mining, you probably need a lot of electricity to unlock that much money and stuff. You won't be able to do it. You probably need at least a 25 terahashes, which is, yeah, a lot of Antminer S3s. There's another one called a Sponduli SP20. Another one. It's a lot bigger. It runs 1100 watts of electricity, which is a lot more than the Antminer. But you know, uh, this is it. Sponduli SP20. This is a good one, but if you're living in an area where your electric's low, like cost, then you should probably get one of these. But you still not be earning that much. This runs at 1.7 terahashes, which is, yeah, about, it's almost 3 times the Antminer. I mean, two Antminers are 1.4 terahashes, so you know, yeah, just over probably, yeah, just under 1.5, yeah, just under 1.5, yeah, no, yeah, no, 2.5, just under 2.5 Bitcoin, Antminers S3s. Yeah. So the next thing I should do, here we go. I want my Bitcoin up now. The Bitcoin. So this is a wallet, my cool wallet, and you got, that's how much available Bitcoins I got. But you know, it's cool. Yeah. So I haven't actually unlocked much. Just received. So yeah. Yeah. So the next thing we're going to talk about, we go back to, yeah, I talk about enough about Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Let's go back to my programming. I'd like other people in there. I'd probably do a lot more Bitcoin stuff than I'd have people in there. There's more Bitcoin people. I'd do a lot more Bitcoin stuff than programming. But if I had programmers in there, I'd do a lot more. I prefer programming. I know more about programming than Bitcoin. You know, I've been doing Bitcoin. I've been programming for almost 3 years now, and I've been doing Bitcoin for about a couple of months. But I've been into it since 2011 when it started rose to fame. It came out in 2009, but I was saying about 2011, 2012. Then it really hit at 2013 actually when it got a lot more famous, I think. So yeah, let's do H3. This is just a basic CSS. I'm not going to do any JavaScript because I don't know any. I know bits of CSS. No, probably more. I do a lot. I know know a lot about CSS, HTML, and Python, but I don't know. I don't know much about JavaScript or basically anything really. Because I'm not doing JavaScript. So it's good. Have a good time. a good time. I'm dead. I'm dead. So we got new viewers. Alright. 0 viewers. It was really sad. I feel like crying. I'm joking. But it's sad at the moment. Trying to say different commands I haven't used yet. Oh, have I used that one? No idea. Prep text. Let's do this one. Came back. Yeah, we could be getting back on. Yeah. I might end the full. I might end the live stream soon. And the board me own. It is though, isn't it? If you're boring on your own, you mean there's no one else here. I actually advertises it on Facebook, Twitter, and the World Crypto Network. Just lags. So you know. Just trying to advertise as well. A lot of things. World Crypto Network. I just want to let some people on it. Just I might do a live stream, but it'd be quite cool. A lot more people will be a lot more cool now. Oh, that guy Scott is gonna be live streaming on Twitch tomorrow. I'll put a link in the description to his actual video when it goes up. For his YouTube, his Twitch thing. I'm not sure what it actually is, but let's go back to that video I was on. So what should we do now? Check my website if you want. pythoncoding.co.uk is my website. I'll link to it on Twitter. And my Twitter is official_coder. Actually, no, I'm not sure what it is actually. I think it's official_coder. Either that or official coder. I think it's official coder without the underscore. I think so. 20 follower. Notification. What's that? Bitcoin 24 follow me. Let me have a look at that is. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna finish that code now. Have a look at what we've done so far. So you made everything the edit, the code. If you want to see what the code is, it's there for you guys on the screen. So it was that. Is that cool? Is Ubuntu. I'll do that next time, and I'll do some Kali next time actually. And that explain to my I'm gonna explain what my live stream is gonna be like. The next sort of. Let me just do something quickly before the live stream ends. So, alright. So live stream, I'm gonna be doing HTML next time, Python another time, like part 2, HTML, and we'll do some more Bitcoin up-to-date talks, and we'll do some Ubuntu, Kali security, all that cool stuff, you know, the for the not news, but for the community and for other people to see. It'd be quite cool. So yeah, have a look how long I've been live streaming for. Then I'll probably end it actually, because you know, not because I haven't got any viewers as well, but not just because of that reason, but you know, it's been on for about 40 minutes. Haven't really got much to talk about anymore. And, you know, quite cool actually. 41 minutes probably. No, sure. I'm streaming for. See if we've got any more comments. By the way, I'm gonna look at his like last comments. He said stuff like, I know, I bet you know like COD clans. Oh, I don't understand. Play COD, but you know. Just messing around the mouse. Alright, I'm probably gonna end the live stream there actually, because there's nothing else really to do. If someone came on now, I'll probably leave for another 5-10 minutes, but you know, there's no one coming in, I don't think. Um, so yeah, bye. Bye guys.